Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous videos, we have discussed about the various types of control valves like pressure control valve, direction control valve, and flow control. In this lecture series video, we have discussed about the different types of flow control valves, why flow control is necessary, basic functions of flow control, what are all the parameters which affects the flow control. So apart from the regular control systems, like the parameters what we are controlling in the hydraulic system, like pressure, temperature, and flow rate, there are some other control systems, control functions can be used in the hydraulic system, which will facilitate ease of operation, and this can be synchronized with the programmable logic controllers or the microcontrollers in the system. So the advancement of the system, invention of microcontrollers, microprocessors, and programmable logic controllers, the control function systems are necessary to automate the hydraulic system. So in this lecture series video, we are going to discuss about what are all the basic modes of control functions are available, how these functions can be uh, established in the system, and the mathematical model formulations of the control system. So let us have a discussion about the control function. So there are three kind of control functions probably possible in the any control system. Those systems are called P. So P is nothing but proportional control, where uh, one parameter is proportional with the another parameter. For example, flow rate is depends upon area of opening. So it is directly proportional in relationship. And the other function is called I. I is nothing but it is an integral function. So when we integrate something with respect to two different limits, that is maximum limit and minimum limit, uh, so we can have an different functions with constants. So it may be a time, or it may be a velocity, or it may be a pressure, or anything. And d is nothing but it is a differentiation or derivative function. As a combination of this, we have a PI function. It is nothing but proportional integral function and PID function, proportional integral and derivative functions. So these PID functions, it is based on three actions, and the output will be combined for all the three actions. That is proportional, derivative, and integrated. And we know that all the PID functions are activated by the changes in process error. That is the difference in process value and the process set value. So if you go for any process, say for example in hydraulic system, we are setting the pressure at 5 bar. So we cannot expect the same pressure because of frictional losses or some resistance in pipelines. And the flow rate is also affected because of the resistance. So therefore, always there will be a change in the set value to the process value. So the process value is nothing but it is the actual value. It is measured by means of sensor or any measuring instruments, and the set value is set for the system. So to overcome these systems, we have different types of control functions that we will discuss in the upcoming videos and upcoming sessions. And these PID functions, we have wide variety of applications such as any process industry or any automation systems or any process dynamics that can be used. So here I have listed a few typical applications of control functions. It can be used in robotic arm movement. The position control of robotic arm can be decided depending upon the PID function. So when you make programming by walkthrough method or any teach content method or any programming codes, so this function is absolutely used in the system to decide the arm movement and to predict the arm movement in the robotic system. And the temperature control, any heating appliances or any cooling systems like refrigeration and air conditioning systems, the temperature control is very crucial, and there are many parameters affects the temperature of any machines. So for cooling and heating systems, the temperature control be a function of different parameters. So in that case, proportional integral derivative systems can be used. Then the speed control can be accomplished with the help of stepper motor or servo motor. We can able to get the different variety of speeds. So that is accomplished with the help of bit function. And the pressure flow control, as usual in the hydraulic systems, apart from regular pressure control and flow control valves, this control function facilitates ease of operation and accurate control of the systems. Then level control. Level control is nothing but it is a fluid level control. Sometimes we want to notify when the oil level is low in engines used in automobiles or water tank level control systems. So these control functions uh, can be applied for the controlling of level of any fluids. And these are all the references for my presentation. Fluid Power, authored by Antonio Esposito, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi in the year 2003. And my second reference, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines, authored by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi 2021. So in this video, we have discussed about the control functions. So we have three type of control: proportional, integral, derivative, and the hybrid mode we have a proportional integral and proportional derivative and proportional integral derivative systems. And we have also listed the different applications of the system in this video. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.